Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable compatible cards in Safari to use them in Apple Wallet on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down. And in here, tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. After that, scroll down and go to the Online Payments section. And then tap on Compatible Cards. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And here it says, verifies that your safe cards in Safari Autofill are compatible with Apple Pay and allows you to use them in Wallet. So if you want to use the compatible cards, switch it on, otherwise turn it off. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.